that recent embarrassing 6-1 defeat inflicted on Argentina by Spain set off all kind of alarm bells amongst the Lionel Messi fanatics and apologists who were the first to jump up and say, I told you, Argentina ball of them no good, it's Messi alone, and Messi cannot win World Cup with them because them ordinary, and we cannot blame Messi and blah, blah, blah. But you know, say, everywhere the Messi fan club go, them get beaten. Let me say this, player for player, Argentina has one of, if not the best squads in world football. Higuain, Di Maria, Aguero, Dybala, Banega, Rojo, Otamendi, Mascherano, just to name a few. All top players in top clubs fetching big bucks on the open football market. If Diego Maradona had this squad in the 80s and 90s, he would have won about 3 World Cups. What you all trying to say? The entire Argentina squad is a squad of club bullies and international chokers. So it's not a Messi thing, it's an Argentina thing. Give me a break. Is Messi cause this extra pressure on himself? Him get the 2014 World Cup to win and fail to deliver. He should have been the defending champion coming into Russia 2018. These very same no good players were good enough to get him into the 2014 final. And what did Messi do? Him disappear in that final. I want to tell you, I know me to see him. Anybody see Messi? Lionel! Anybody see Messi? I don't see him.